Got a couple new toys we're gonna try out today. Here. Let's go to the island. All right, so we made it to the island.
Why are the rocks like that?
Doing a little exploration.
What the heck?
The water's a little choppy today. Oh, someone left the beer can. I have to pick that up. Ever since I saw this little island, I wanted to explore it. We've been all over this area before. There's a couple cool lakes back there. And this place is pretty awesome. It'd be fun to camp out here. Oh, I should have brought my hammock. Could set it up right here. That would be very cool.
Little slots right there.
What do you think of the island?
Cool. Come on, Daddy.
Go back to the kayak?
Yeah.
All right.
And he just got his first kayak, and I just got my first paddleboard.
Yeah.
He's better than me.
All right, Captain, where are we going next?
Home. We're going to our beach home.
All right, let's go. Yep. I'm towing. Let's paddle a little bit.
Daddy, look, I got it.
All right, keep practicing.
I'm keeping us moving.
All right. Very good.
I'm paddling just like you.
Did you build a little fort?
Yep. Come on in, let me show you.
Come
No,
on in, I
through the
can't
door.
Oh, through the door. All right.
Watch out. Daddy, watch out.
That's how you get in?
Mm-hmm.
What are you eating?
Yogurt.
Oh, very cool fort.
Rainbow yogurt.
Cool.